What's up, everybody? Hey! And welcome back to Dell. How are y'all today? We hope y'all have a beautiful and blessed day today, y'all. Yeah. Welcome back, old and new. I hope you guys find us entertaining. And y'all, thank y'all so much for coming back. And today, y'all, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And then right next to the subscribe button, you have to hit that notification bell. And if you love us, if you really like us, give us a like and leave a comment, y'all. Leave a comment, y'all. Thank y'all so much. And yes, y'all. So today, y'all, we are doing part 2 of our continuation of the Farm and Sea Challenge by Sam's World. Sam's World. Sam's World.
We was called out by Sam's.
Oh, yeah, we was called out by Sam's World. I'm sorry, y'all. This is by the Bulls. I'm sorry. Ooh, Lord. It's late, y'all. I'm sorry. It's by the Bulls. So, yes, y'all. So, essentially, Sam's World is part of the Bulls. So, it's a group of people. But, y'all should already know that because we did this already. It's the second time. But, yes, y'all. So, for today, y'all, Mama should show it out in the kitchen. Y'all, look at this good food. I can't really,
He gonna wait for the
I don't want to drop because it's kind of hot.
Yeah.
But, so we got tiger shrimp, we got the cucumbers, the lemons, and snow crab.
Snow crab.
Yes, y'all. So seafood boil. And yes, y'all. So that's the sea, and then for the firm, we got chicken, and then some eggs.
Chicken. We got
regular chicken.
We got eggs. And we got that jasmine rice.
My mama, she got an egg too, y'all. She don't eat, meat.
I don't eat to meat.
So the egg is the closest thing she gonna see her to the land. So we go pray, then we're gonna start eating. So
yes.
God is great. God is good. Thank you for our food, Lord God. Bless this food, Lord God. Thank you for this food, Lord God. Thank you for the scrumptious seafood, Lord God. Thank you for the scrumptious tiger shrimp, Lord God. In the name of Jesus, Lord God. Amen. And I forgot to tell y'all, this is garlic. Bless the cook. This is garlic rice with onions and it's topped with jasmine garlic rice, y'all. So
I got mine in the little.
Yes, y'all.
And we got that.
I'm about to start eating already.
Ooh, that could be a blessing in my belly.
So in case y'all didn't know, we was kind of hesitant on still doing this challenge because of what was going on. I'm pretty sure y'all should know that by the first video. But y'all, you just gotta keep moving forward. Forgive. And learn to have an open heart. A conscious heart, but still open. Don't lock down everything, but just be more cautious of how to make things better, depending on the situations, y'all.
When my shopping, I'm gonna get today. It's about to go down diggity.
How's y'all weekend so far? Come on.
Okay. You should have brought me out.
Oh wait, or how was y'all weekend? Basically,
It's about to be. Well, I don't know because we don't be knowing what day.
It's basically over. Cause when it get posted, it's gonna be over.
It's gonna be a weekend.
Did y'all have to go to work? How was work, y'all?
How work is that? If we didn't have to go to work, how was your off day? And then if you're a stay-home mother or father, are the children still alive? That's all that counts. It don't matter.
I forgot. Now, who could it be? Who could it be?
I got my water.
I got my water, baby. I got my water. I got my water, baby. She is so cool and sweet.
We're walking in here.
Voguing in here.
Y'all.
Yes, y'all. Y'all, we just gotta support each other. So that's why we doing this challenge, y'all. Sam's World has been nothing but sweet.
Ooh.
Y'all trying to comfort people.
Who coming for who?
I'm just saying, if they are trying to comfort people. You know, some people still mad at lips and all that. No, we just go. We do.
Oh, and for some of y'all who watching, we need y'all to go. You think that
The
face squad.
Yeah.
We ride.
You know, you reposted it.
I know. I didn't realize that after we love you face squad, because I was like, wait, I see the new channel and I said, wait, I'm subscribed already. I didn't subscribe. And then I post, and then I went down our community post, and I said, oh well, ain't gonna hurt it.
No, we reposted it.
Yeah, I reposted it. He posted it, and I reposted it.
I posted it as soon as I saw Flavor Eats saw it. I had posted. I was like, oh yeah, okay, well let me shout it out. Cause I know it's hard redoing all that all over again. I know for me, I would have been like, look, I don't know if I'm doing YouTube no more.
Yeah, Lord.
I would have had to been like,
But I think she's gonna be alright, cause she knows too many like people. Like
I hope so.
I think she'll get back up there. It shouldn't take long, cause she didn't establish a base. So. You just need to make a video and put it on that page.
Yeah.
And telling people go to the face squad.
But I don't think she can.
Oh,
I think that's the problem.
Oh.
I think she can only like post, like as in like post like
Wow.
like on her community tab.
Well, I know that. Oh, and people don't always check the community tab.
They don't show it to everybody.
Well,
Cause sometimes I'll be scrolling without even looking. I'll be like, that's just words, and I don't see it.
yeah.
And then you stop and look at the pictures really. And I'll be like, wait, that's somebody that's saying something. Let me look at it.
Well, we got to post her every day of the week. We try to get you back up there, feet.
Yeah.
But y'all, please go check her out. If you don't know her, go find out about her.
I'm trying to figure out how that happened.
I think when she switched her stuff.
Oh.
And
But
then
I'm not even gonna lie. We switched hours for like 2 seconds, and I had to switch it right back. Oh yeah, but y'all tell me how.
That had messed up our analytics
It
and
did.
everything else.
And it messed up that
When
thing.
did that?
They tried to
And then I was watching my friend channel, the homeschooler bosses. Like, you know how you can go down and scroll down, or either go to something else on my phone. I can go to like my emails, all that kind of stuff, right? While I'm watching the video. If you got that,
you bake this?
yeah,
Ooh, that's good, babe.
yeah.
I'm gonna do some more.
I did.
It's juicy. It's juicy.
You say
I wonder if that's how the people at I wonder if that's the people at Lotus be doing. You think they put it in the oven?
God, I'm crazy.
I don't think they put that in the stove. I think they put that in the oven. I think they put it in the oven just like this.
357.
Who remember 3LW?
That boy said 357.
You said 357. I was like, let me know somebody with some numbers in their name. 357. Who was that?
It's a group.
I remember 702.
No.
Where my girls at? From the front to back. Can you repeat that?
Baby. I gotta do that crack and dip. That crawfish. They might well get ready because they don't know about it. They will test it.
Oh, that crawfish? What? I don't know how to peel crawfish fast.
Very yo.
Well, I know my mom know how to peel crawfish fast because my grandma used to tell me stories about how they leave her no
You
crawfish.
leave her crawfish. You be like, I'm trying to eat. Your mama and your uncle. And they done found my crawfish. Woo. Baby.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot. We was called out by Eat with Brina too.
For what?
For this, remember?
Oh yeah, sure was. She called us out too. She ain't know.
I'm gonna put it in the beginning. I keep forgetting.
Oh, you didn't make these, huh?
No, I did it different.
You made what?
He said I ain't make them hot.
Oh no, she just put them in the
I did like garlic
She
butter.
just yeah, she just put them in the oven. I think that's what Lotus be doing.
Who?
Low key, Lotus.
Oh, they taste like this.
Okay, just like this. I don't think they boil their seafood.
It's good though.
We're gonna have to start baking this some more. It's easier too.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't gotta have all them dishes.
That's why when I put them on the grill, why it tastes so good on the grill.
Yeah.
You grab them up and fall. Hold on juice.
Cause it's juicy.
Now I gotta eat something.
They probably like Mama Dell. Right?
Oh, that was you the other day, Lily. You with that pickle.
I was doing that on purpose.
Mm-mm.
I was just doing that on purpose.
You was doing the most with that
I
pickle.
was doing that to get on your nerves.
See, we gonna see. Look, you hear her?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's game time today.
How long you left this in the oven, Mom?
Yeah, ain't no more.
Huh?
I think I'm coming about what, 27 minutes? About 30 minutes?
Oh,
I'm gonna have to start doing it like that.
Ooh,
that's good, y'all.
Oh, and you throw some Louisiana seasoning and just pour it on there?
That's why I thought she meant that slap your mama.
I didn't even know slap your mama stuff.
No, that's
Oh
what
yeah,
I'm
we gotta
gonna do.
get that out the car. We
What?
got a big old box to slap your mama stuff. That my parent gave me. Shout out to my parent, Terry.
Y'all saw him in the other video. Was in New Orleans, y'all.
Huh?
He was the hostess for the talent show.
Yeah.
Was that my cluster?
What?
I had a cluster.
Well, that must have been it right there.
Oh. Oh no, this was it.
Oh, okay.
I was like, I know I had a cluster somewhere. Something was mine.
I hope you got more sauce there. Cause,
You do. You got some on sale.
I need a big jar.
I know. Please come on with the big jar.
Mama Dell needs a big jar.
These
Can
are
you say
smaller
one for
jars.
me? I ain't asking you to give it to me. I'm gonna send you your money. But I need to tell Mama Dell. a big jar.
Yeah, them small jars. They don't do it. Hey, we're not gonna do it.
Baby. I did that.
You did what?
I did that.
Oh, it's food, yeah.
It's good today, y'all.
So we got our farm and sea.
And my egg is still foam and sea.
Yeah.
Because you get the egg out the chicken coop.
Yep. Yeah, because we don't have no vegetables today.
I got my cucumbers.
Oh, yeah, her cucumbers, y'all.
Ooh, they juicy. Ooh.
Cucumbers ain't nothing but water. I'm sure they up. Is that good? Mama, is that good?
I don't say, dang, Mama, they're bored today. Mama, they're
Mama, did what?
bored day because I eat.
Oh, well. And this what it is, y'all. We sorry. We're eating.
Eat that.
That's y'all. I already got king crab.
I finally saw him because what's her name was saying that.
I didn't even know they had king crab like that.
Because she was saying, oh, I went to Aldous and you could get you a whole crab ball. I said, nah. She said, I saw the tiger shrimp. I said, okay, I didn't saw that. She said, I saw the snow crab. I said, okay, I didn't saw that. And she said, I saw king crab. I said, I ain't never saw that.
I didn't know they had that.
But this time when I went to the Aldous, they had king crab and they had lobsters.
Yep.
But I was like, oh no. Let me get this. Cause we there had them. I already brought our other phone and see. I had got this stuff. I got left out of all of that. They say $8.
Wait, what $8?
$8 because I had the, the
Oh,
crab, the shrimp,
Lord.
the chicken breast. Because I had to cook for my rest of my family too.
Now,
Because
how much
they
is
all
the chicken
still
breast?
eat meat. Mama, Dad don't eat meat.
Or the chicken breast street?
Oh, but I did get another pack of tiger shrimp that's in my freezer too. So
Oh, yeah.
I didn't eat them. I already put one in here. And these clusters.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hey, this mukbang stuff ain't cheap. I'll tell you that.
But it's not really. I mean, but. Because I mean, I really.
Or you go buy it anyway because you eat
Yeah,
it.
because I don't.
Yeah,
I don't eat
that's true.
Oh, excuse me. Look, I don't eat.
Y'all, if it was up to me, I'd be eating chicken and vegetables every day. Yeah. So I'm pretty.
No, you ain't, y'all.
I'm too.
That day when I say,
I'm getting full. Cool.
yeah, we just can't.
Yeah, we
eat
sorry.
today,
We just eating today, y'all. We ain't
It's all like
we ain't
that,
making
man.
faces. We ain't doing all that today, y'all. So. Woo.
You gotta just say,
I'm putting my seafood from now on. That's good.
Lord, Father God.
That's really good. And if I can find a recipe to that crack sauce
Jesus.
and put that on here, like at Lotus, I make some money here. We're gonna start selling plates, like Keisha Cole. You know, she has fish plates. We're gonna have seafood plates.
Father. Lord, I thank you for the.
Yeah, I already had one girl. Remember that young she made me for my birthday? One girl said, where they selling this at? I'm like, whoop.
Oh, and I did
People be looking for seafood.
Lord God, I thank you for grace.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I do, Lord God.
Yes, Lord.
The creatures of the sea.
God is good.
Yes, He is. Woo!
Okay.
What you looking for now?
Oh, you had all the shrimp.
Oh, they got one. Oh, that wasn't one right there.
No. I'm gonna just get another piece of crab.
They don't have no more shrimp. They all gone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, baby, we was not playing today.
This was good.
Mama, Dad went in the kitchen.
Okay, y'all. I know, cause y'all was talking. Wait, y'all wasn't. People on Facebook was talking about her last time when we had did the stuff.
We're talking about my seafood. Was like, oh, that's good dry. She need to go kill herself. And like, really? Is it that?
They was
serious?
doing the most over that seafood.
I need to go
was
die.
like,
I need to go kill myself. It's dry. Like,
It was cussing and everything.
like these people.
We're talking about the
really
seafood
crazy.
that we have made
for your
for my birthday and for her birthday, because basically it was the same thing. They was talking about it. But anyway, y'all, yeah, we're going to have to let y'all go. We just
We've
eating.
been out here too long.
So, we hope y'all have a great night. Have a blessed night. And stay prayed up and stay positive. Especially in these mukbang YouTube streets.
And it's good, y'all.
So, we hope y'all have a good night.
So,
Stay tuned.
hey, President.
Stay present. Stay relevant.
Mm.
Yeah, we still eating, so we gonna catch another video, okay?
All right.
And
Make sure you like.
we're gonna have one more day for the pharmacy. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, yeah, this was so good. I ain't putting it down. So
Bye, y'all.
bye, y'all.